Welcome! It's a great day to be a miner. Why is it such a great day to be a miner, you ask? Well, the crypto market's booming, ETH is on the rise, and profits are up. And for two, we got some new hardware to unbox. We're gonna jump right into it, but first, let's spin that intro. Welcome! Today we have some exciting new items to unbox, but before we dig into these, I just wanted to give a personal thanks and a congratulations to Red Panda Mining. He just recently hit 100,000 subscribers. That's a huge accomplishment, well deserved. One of the hardest working guys out there and been a true pioneer in the mining space for quite the many years. I went and looked it up. He's got over 900 videos. This is a real good dude that just wants to help you out. And if you don't know who Red Panda Mining is, I don't know how you got to my video because he is a pioneer in the mining space. Go check him out. Let's dig into these beautiful packages. First, let's start with the least exciting here. And this one comes straight from China. Before you can do any kind of quality unboxing, you have to have a quality unboxing knife. And as we all know, RGB adds hash rate and adds value to your unboxing. So let's see what's in this box. Box numero uno. This one's not gonna be an easy one to unbox. I can tell it's all just loose in here. Tape all over, you can tell it's came through some customs. Let's see what it looks like. All right, this is the PC JMK5, Cool 5, great name. Basically, this is a new test bench that I'm gonna set up, and it looks like it's just a bunch of loose hardware laying in here. Yeesh. Instead of getting too in-depth on what this is and how to put it together, let's put a picture up on the screen and show you what it will look like. Basically, I needed a good test bench to test out any of my new GPUs as they come in to see their performance, max hash rate, do testing, and to bring you some better content. So let's go ahead and box this back in here, and we're gonna set this least exciting one aside. Here, frame. All right, so now 3 boxes. All right, so let's unbox these 3 beautiful packages and see exactly what we have inside. Let's start from biggest to smallest and see what we got. This one is the most expensive. This is the most expensive of the 3 packages, coming in at just under $900 US. Packaged kind of loosely, looks like it's just thrown in there. Get out of here, box. I'm too busy for you. All right, so let's see what we got. So right off the bat, you can see on the front, there is a sticker from where we purchased this. This is StockX, and what they are is an intermediary. Basically, they are an exchange. They're a middleman. People sell their goods and they will ship them to StockX, and then the buyer, they will verify at StockX, and then they will ship to the buyer. So they middleman it and they take a fee. Personally, this is the first transaction I've made through them, but it did go quite smooth, quite simple, and I feel a little safer about doing this means than, say, doing a direct transfer or even from eBay where you're not 100% sure what you're getting, because they do receive these and supposedly do thorough verification. So let's look and see what we got. And this shows my actual price. Let's cover up everything except the price right there. $908 to my door. Let's see what the card says. StockX. By now, you already know how StockX is a live marketplace for sneakers, streetwear, collectibles, handbags, and watches, but we're so much more than that. StockX is about access. It's interesting. It's interesting. Let's see if they did right. Okay, so first off, they do have a StockX verified sticker, which is hanging halfway off and not pressed all the way on. So this is the MSI RTX 3060 Gaming X. This is supposed to be a brand new unused card. So right off the bat, I have a little reservation because I'm seeing Chinese on the box. But the box looks brand new. It feels brand new. Everything looks crisp. It looks good. So we're not actually going to unbox these and actually install them or test them today. We're just going to open these up and see what we got, because we got more stuff coming in, because we got to get these things opened. We got to get them checked. We got to get them installed and test them and make sure that everything is legit with these cards. Moving on. Box number 2. This is the heaviest box, which is kind of surprising. And this box comes to us via EVGA. Let's see what's in the box. What's in the box?
Oh, what's in the box?
All right. Oh, that's some riveting video getting that box out of there. All right. Get out of here, box. So this is a plain black box from EVGA. What is inside of this box? So inside this box is an EVGA 2070 Super. I paid about $600, and that's about $100 under current market value. So not too shabby there. And my final, and actually my best deal, comes through Amazon. So you're thinking, okay, you got this through Amazon. Can't be a GPU, right? Or can it? All right, let's see. Brand new EVGA RTX 3060, just the base MSRP model. Yes, I paid MSRP. You can get cards. It is very difficult. You need to be tenacious with it. You need to be persistent. You need to just keep grinding, keep at it, and keep working. You can buy graphics cards. Here are examples. And this one I did pay MSRP, which is ran just over $900. Again, I use StockX, which is a pretty safe exchange. This is my first purchase with them, and so far it looks good. Everything looks brand new. I think they did a good job. We'll have to open this thing up, put it in, test it out, make sure everything looks kosher and legit. And so for my next one, this is an EVGA. I got it secondhand. This is not brand new. It is a 2070 Super, but yet it should still get me about 42 mega hash, which is not too shabby, but I did pay almost $600. Current market value on this card is $700, so $100 under market value. And this guy is the RTX 3060 EVGA, the base $390 MSRP. And I paid $390 from Amazon. Best deal ever. This card right now is selling on eBay all day, every day at $900, just like I paid for this card. The 3060s, basically all of them are running between $800 and $1,000 depending on model. And if you can get a card at MSRP between $330 and $500-ish, then you're doing quite well compared to the market value. I did make a previous video about how to calculate market value. You can check it up in the description above. But these are our beautiful wares. We got a new test bench we're gonna set up. We've got 3 new graphics cards to test. This one's gonna go in with my Asus Dual 3060. Check that video out above as well. This will go into my hodgepodge rig that has a few other 30 series right now. And this one, I'm not completely sure yet. We're going to definitely install it. We're gonna test it. We're gonna get all the numbers. We're gonna show you that video and unboxing soon. And then we're gonna have to decide what to do with it, because a 3060 is not your standard GPU. I'm not 100% sure what I'm gonna do with it yet. I know I'm gonna take it out, I'm gonna put it in the test bench, I'm gonna get all the numbers, we're gonna do a video on it, thoroughly testing it, telling you whether you should buy it and what you should expect from this card. And then after that, I'm not 100% because it does require an X16 slot and X8 lanes in order to get the full mining capacity. If not, it's going to hit the NVIDIA mining limiter. To get around that limiter, you have to have the dev drivers, the 470.05. You have to have a display out, and you have to be slotted into an X16 slot on the motherboard, or run an X16 riser to this, and it has to run X8 lanes. I made another video on the Asus Dual where I demonstrate all this. Check that out above. So anyway, these are some wonderful wares. I hope you enjoyed checking out my new loot. I've got more loot on the way. I'll make sure to video and show it. I appreciate you. Again, congratulations to Red Panda Mining. You are the man. Let's hop into our outro. Well, there you have it. We nabbed a brand new test bench, an RTX 2070 Super, a pair of RTX 3060s. We're gonna install these things, we're gonna overclock them, we're gonna push them, we're gonna test them, we're gonna find out what their profitability is, and we're gonna share it all for you in some upcoming videos. If you're new to mining, make sure to join the Misfit Mining Discord or the HashRaptor Discord. There's plenty of seasoned vets in there willing to answer any of your questions, get you up in mining, help you with whatever you need mining related. If you like this video, you know what to do. Smash that like button and subscribe for future content. Thanks for coming along and enjoy the ride.